Omureberezi w'obureberezi bwa West Ankole Right Reverend Johnson Twino Mujuning najango kwebikira nichwero kurwanisa obworo obwabari kubika bari kutandikaho projects ezo kubatahiza
akafumuka kake kakora bo motwizi nakaragaho kagira ki kamiza obwato buhango but the opposite is excellent wagwana utakantu nota yakantu noja kurebekira hangara kore
Sako ya Jubilee omwaka oguhire ekozere kurungi kurugirira report y'ombichi wabo
neshatu tukatwine billioni 14 kandi omwaka ogwa 2024 tukagumara twine billioni 16 loan portfolio yitu ekabiri billioni 10 nobo kweyongeramo mbwenu omwaka gwa twine billioni 12
wabireho umureberezi w'obureberezi bwa West Ankole kandi watangire sakweji Right Reverend William Magambo ashabara bari kwebembera sakweji obutebwa hibarugire
mwagire umufya kanani mwagire muta mwalire muta mwabembe cyamazu nkaga kureba naragukureba okwe mutariye gwaki apana tugira ngo yimwarugire mwezuke mukamaranga yagizirata aho yabihire
Sima Ruhanga abo mwaka guhwire 2024 kurebeka ngo atushyikize aho turi hati assets zitu zikuzire turi aha 16 billion membership tuwenjireho abantu 13 umwaka gwahwire turi ombantu mutwaro kumwe na kakaga
akachikwa kasya karonzirwe kandi kebembera Reverend Canon Arthur Twine nka chairman.
It's with great humility and immense pleasure and gratitude that I stand before you today accepting the role of the chairman of Jubilee Mighty Circle in the name of Jesus.
Now, by staff, by Jubilee, I request you not to live like extension workers. Otakaba, Jonasi, I will not correct you. Jonasi, no. This is a new arrangement. It is a new regime. Mutatushanisa nabandi mukorera timu yiza ruhangana iza kora Jubilee ebyamani.
Hine ba member abasimira sakweji ahabo buhereza burungi.
Abarukereza mu Jubilee Sako nubabaje
basimira munonga
Jubilee Sako ina mataje mu Kitagata Kabohe Mitoma Buheju hamwe na Ndeke omurubirizi district. Gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi na Onesimus Ndianabo.